Hi, my name's Sacha Liddiard, and I've been dropshipping on eBay and Amazon for over 4 years now. And in this series of videos, I'm going to be answering some of your questions and giving you some top tips to increase your sales on eBay. I'm going to show you how to implement some simple strategies to boost your ranking, and you're going to discover how to save money and reach your goals, whatever they may be. So I want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And you're also going to want to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of the great content coming your way. So if you're ready, we're going to dive right in, and I'm going to give you my top 10 tips on how to create a never-ending list of products to dropship on eBay. Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video we're going to talk all about what products to list on eBay. Now, when I started many moons ago, the one thing that stopped me getting anything listed was I got analysis paralysis. I just needed to find the most perfect item that ticked all the boxes. I was following the training to the letter, but the over-analysis that I was doing was really stopping my business from going forward. And so many people that I know, and people that come into my group, have exactly the same problem. It's their biggest stumbling block. Some actually give up. Some never get it started because they feel they just can't find the right product. But once you get started, believe you me, once you get on a roll, once you start selling products, this is never going to be an issue for you. But we just need to get it out there. Get everything on paper, and as soon as you start seeing a big list grow, you're going to start gaining confidence. And you've just got to start listing. You've still got to not overanalyze it. And I'm really hoping that the tips that I'm going to go through with you now are going to help you. So the first place I look is the online suppliers that I'm going to use. What are they promoting at the moment? What are they selling? What's on their homepage? Because whatever they're selling, that's what people are wanting to buy. And they know their stuff. They've got big marketing departments doing all the research, and they know exactly what people want to buy. They've got access to all the data from previous seasons, and they know what the right products are to be selling and putting on that online shelf. So go and have a look at what the suppliers are selling and go from there. And once you've picked a product, you'll be able to find similar items in the same category. Now, when you're looking to begin with, just look for low ticket items. Items around about £50, $50 or less. Just filter your search results to that, because you don't want to start out with large items, large profit items, which are not going to necessarily sell. So you need to keep it to small items and start from there and get a bit of momentum onto your account. Now, seasonal items, it's beautiful as I look out of my office window today. It's August and it's stunning. So should I be selling products that are in the current season, or should I be looking ahead to what's coming up? Well, seasonal items, you can still be selling stuff for the garden now, or garden patio sets, because they're obviously going to still be special offers on at suppliers. So you've still got plenty of time. I was still selling border rolls for the garden, you know, the ones that go around the flower borders. I was selling those up until October, November time last year. So don't get too carried away or worried about particular seasons ending, but do think ahead of time. So at the moment we've got coming up back to school, Halloween and Christmas. Now, I was selling Christmas trees last year in October. I was selling storage bags that people use to store their Christmas trees. I was selling those in October. So once you start selling early on, you're going to have the traffic on your listing. You're going to get the views, you're going to get the watchers, and your listing will start to rank higher over the actual Christmas period and beyond. You'll still be selling them in January and February time. So seasonal items are really important. Have a look at what the suppliers have got as far as seasonal items, and that'll give you the triggers and the info to go and start looking now and think ahead. Every month it's going to change, so I'll give you lots more ideas for in the future and more advanced strategies. But for now, just start listing. So you need to actually look at what sells and then look at similar items. So items that you've already sold, maybe a red storage box, and start selling more storage boxes in different colours, different fabrics, different sizes, and continue to always have products that are similar to products that you're already selling, and keep testing. You'll also want to look at daily items. You want items that people are buying on a daily basis and regular items that people are not running out of. So they're always constantly looking to replenish. They sell really well on eBay, these sort of daily items, items that people are looking all the time. So just look around the house. What daily items do you purchase regularly, and think about selling those. Now, breakable items. I sell loads of dinner sets, dinnerware, mugs, glasses, especially coming up to Christmas. People are always wanting to buy items that break because they've got to replenish them. So have a look there. I have also looked on Amazon for high ranking items. Go and have a look at what bestsellers are on Amazon. Have a look at how they're ranking. You're not going to maybe want to sell that particular item, but go and find similar items from your suppliers. Now, if that product is selling well on Amazon, you know it's going to the same type of product, as long as it's the same quality, roughly the same price. So find something similar from your suppliers and get that listed. You get a good reach on it because it's obviously popular on Amazon. Also use the search bar on eBay. You're going to get so many ideas from there. You start keying in a keyword into the search bar, and then it'll soon populate with all the keywords that people are typing in, because that's what people are looking for, and you might as well be selling stuff that people are looking for. So that's going to give you lots of ideas. So don't worry too much about what people are selling it at for, the price they're selling it. Don't worry much at this stage of, what's actually selling. Just find items that people are looking for, and we can move on to those more advanced strategies later on. You just need to get yourself up and running, get those items listed, so that you're used to using the lister, if nothing else, and how it all works. You need to move on, and you get some emails from eBay. They send you regular emails giving you ideas on what to sell. So make sure they're not going into your trash folder. And the other thing you want to do is subscribe to your suppliers' emails, because they will be sending you emails on a daily basis, giving you promotions and offers, but also constant ideas on what you should be selling. So I really hope this video is going to give you the confidence to just get out there, get that list up, start getting items. Don't worry about doing much research. Just get a list of 100 items that you're going to start doing maybe a bit of research on, but just get them listed. Don't overanalyze it, and you will be fine. So hopefully that helps, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.